Hi everyone, I'm Amy. I'm the brand manager for Metamucil, and today I want to explain how to take Metamucil. You'd be surprised, but there are actually a bunch of different ways to take it, and I'm going to talk you through them. First thing we're going to start with is the drink mix. And this is a powder that comes in a canister like this. First thing you do, of course, is open it, and then grab a spoon. And this is the first part where it gets tricky, because you have to grab the right spoon for the right product. This product I have here is our orange sugar-free product, and if you look on the back of the directions of how to take it, it talks about 2 rounded teaspoons or 1 rounded teaspoon. Teaspoon is your normal spoon that you have in your kitchen, not to be confused with this bigger spoon, which is a tablespoon. There are some kinds of Metamucil that require a tablespoon, so make sure that you use the right spoon for the right one. Once you've figured that out, you grab an empty cup, and you grab your spoon, and what you want to do is make a rounded teaspoon. So that rounded means like just a little bit over the top, like this. Pour it into the empty glass. So pro tip, I'm putting the powder in before I put the water. That just helps it mix better. Once you've got the powder in there, you grab your water. And you want to grab water that's cold, not water that's hot. Counterintuitively, hot water actually will make it kind of gel up a little bit more quickly. So you want cold or at least lukewarm. And you want to fill it, you want about 8 ounces of water. This cup here is 16 ounces, so I'm going to fill it about halfway. It's really filling it up to taste, whether you want it to be a little more diluted or a little bit stronger. Once you fill up with water, you stir it. On the canister, we say to stir briskly. You don't really have to use that much muscle. It's not that hard. Look at the bottom, kind of make sure you mix it up. If you have, you're good to go. It tastes delicious. It's crazy, actually, once I started working on Metamucil, how many people had a misconception of how grainy and it was a terrible texture Metamucil was, particularly our smooth variants, which this is orange smooth sugar-free. They're actually really smooth and really delicious. If you leave it sit for a while, it will gel up. That gelling is actually how it works in the body. So it travels through your body to remove the waste that weighs you down. So I don't recommend that you walk and watch a 30-minute TV show and then drink the rest of this. Drink it in one sitting, but it's not going to gel up the second that you kind of stir it up. The other thing that's important to know, and I get a question from a lot of people as I ask them to try Metamucil for the first time, is am I going to have to run to the bathroom as soon as I take this? It's important to know it is not a stimulant laxative. It's not going to make you run to the bathroom. It's not going to just empty your body out right away. It's something that you take every day like a vitamin that's for your gut health, and it'll get you going regularly, but it's not going to be something that makes you kind of evacuate all at one time. So no need to worry on your first time whether something really bad is going to happen immediately. That's not at all how Metamucil works. Great. So that is the basic way to take Metamucil. A second way to take Metamucil is actually to use sparkling water. So I use just regular water for the first one. And I'll show you the tablespoon way. So this one is our real sugar product. This is orange sugar. And this one requires tablespoons. So you take it in exactly the same way. Grab your spoon. You want to make sure your spoon is dry. I didn't mention that. You get the rounded teaspoon, or tablespoon in this case, pour it in. And this time I'm going to use sparkling water. It's just a little bit different of a flavor experience because you get the bubbles. Important to know is that when you pour it in, you want to do it slowly or you'll have a Metamucil volcano, which if you have kids, that might be fun, but not so great when you're drinking it every day. Same 8 ounces of water. Pour it in. Well, mix briskly. So you want to make sure you get all the clumps out. Good. Enjoy. And if you want to get very adventurous with your drink powder, you can go all the way over to smoothie. So you make the smoothie in the exact same way that you make the drink mix, and that you take your teaspoon or your tablespoon, you pour it in, and then you add whatever you want to add to your smoothie. You can add milk, you can add fruit juice, vegetable juice, actual fruits and vegetables, ice, anything you want. Mix it up, and it's delicious. The Metamucil orange or unflavored makes a great addition to your smoothie. So this is what we've done over there. Okay, so now I've covered the powder. What you probably don't know is that we actually have other forms beyond powder. We have our fiber thins, which are snack cookies that you eat, and they come in these single serving packets, and there are 2 in each packet. They're great for on the go, and they're delicious for an afternoon snack. We have cinnamon, we have apple, and we have chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite because it tastes a lot like the top of a sandwich cookie, so it's a huge treat when you're looking for something in the afternoon and you need to get a little bit more filled up. And our last type of way to take Metamucil is in capsules. So these are awesome for on the go. They're obviously sugar-free, just psyllium, which is the Metamucil ingredient. And a lot of people that don't like the drink find these to be super helpful. Hopefully you found this informative, and I would be remiss if I didn't tell you about the amazing benefits that you can have when you take Metamucil on a daily basis. So you probably know about our amazing digestive health benefits, and those really cannot be underemphasized as they're amazing. But we are 4-in-1 fiber, so we actually have 3 other benefits that people don't know as much about. The first one is it helps you feel less hungry between meals. So when you take it, you feel more full. I personally take it before I go out to dinner, and I'm less inclined to have that bread at the beginning, and you just feel like eating less, which is great. Secondly, it helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. So if you take it before each meal, it helps kind of regulate you throughout the day, which is awesome. And third, it helps lower cholesterol to promote heart health. This one is personally really important to me. And it's awesome because you get the daily digestive health benefits, and as you take it every day, it also helps lower your bad cholesterol to promote heart health, which is fantastic. So hopefully I've convinced you that Metamucil is fun to take. There are a lot of different ways to take it, and there are a lot of great health benefits. If you are interested in trying or retrying Metamucil, go to metamucil.com and try our 2-week challenge. We send you emails or text messages every day for 2 weeks to remind you to take it and also give you motivational tips to help encourage you on your journey. So with that, be well and cheers. Thanks for listening.